Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James here. How are you today? In this video we would like to share the work we already finished in the Toyota PRADO KAKADU 2009-2013 generation, and this one actually 2012, and it comes in with the faulty audio system, which is called audio of issue. So to make it short, actually we discussed with the owner and explained about the package, and the owner decided to go with the premium package. We actually were including the premium head unit replace and 9-inch wireless CarPlay as you see on the screen, and wireless Android Auto as well, and connect plug and play design by MPX AUTOS, plug and play into their factory amplifier wiring harness, and power up all the 14 speaker, tweeter and woofer in this car model, and bring up the sound to the higher level than what it was before. And currently it's all finished with the 9-inch premium setup on the screen. Everything is working very much like the system of the normal Kakadu. Everything's working like the other video we got. However, this one is different because again it already got two new of the Pioneer D class, actually FD class, high audio resolution amplifiers. Stay well nicely inside the factory amplifier location down here, and you actually see nothing from here or even from the back of the car, the back of this factory seat. You see nothing, so no one actually knows it until we show or the owner show. So if you pull up this cover now, you will see the factory cable right down here, plug into our wiring harness and plug into the factory amplifiers and speakers wiring down here. It actually has from the factory you have here some different big cable connector. From the factory side we unplug it, remove the factory amplifier, and we install the new set of two Pioneer amplifier right here, right under this beautifully, and it boosts up the sound system in the car to a much nicer level as well. Now the new camera already been installed at the back, as many other videos that we got for the camera. So if you reverse the camera, you will see the new camera showing up like this, and it have to see very clear of the turbo as well, and we can adjust the camera up and down, and it has the steering wheel guideline on the screen, and curved dynamic guideline as well. The reason we installed the new camera because the factory camera in the car decided not working anymore together with the audio of ECU. So this car came in with two ECU at the same time, audio off and no cameras. And at this point steering wheel control already connected as the best it could be. All the steering wheel button on the right side for the phone call and phone drop is working well, but the button on the left side for the volume and track actually belong to the faulty unit over here already, so it doesn't work. But you can control the volume from the screen easily, and yep, everything's beautiful. The USB we installed down here still works very well, and we also have other USB as well in the car. So just to make it simple, everything is beautifully done. And if you have the audio of setup, the audio of issue in your Kakadu or other two or VX, this is the one premium package. But also we now have another option where you can actually select to be a standard package without the new two amplifier, and it still works very nice as well. We can talk about that in other package and video. So thanks again for watching, and see you on next one.